Hey guys, welcome to another video from Zeilhan. Today is going to be a short one and it's going to be a response to a request from a viewer of one of our videos. If you go over to this video right here that we made, you are going to see a comment from Kashimud 5119. No, not Kashimud. We're gonna see a we're gonna see a comment from this very long name that I will not try to pronounce, and he's asking us to make a tutorial about gallery on a single page, but he wants us to only display 6 photos and have the option to view all photos. And he also asks that we show the lightbox pop up when we show all the photo, maybe 10 or more photo. And that's in response to this tutorial that we made using CrocoBlock. So we use CrocoBlock to create a real estate listing website. And the thing about that tutorial is that we're not going to be using this template for this tutorial, but the process is going to be very similar. All right, so let's just get started with that. The first thing you're going to do is you're just going to head over to your dashboard and plugins. You're going to add a new plugin. Go ahead and dismiss that. We're going to add premium add-ons for Elementor. I think that will get us the feature that we need. Just go ahead and install now and activate. All right, then just gonna leave this as is. I think everything here is fine. I'm not seeing a gallery widget, so I'm perhaps gonna have to scroll through and look for it. I think all the free ones are activated. I think the media grid is right here. By the way, this is a very awesome plugin, guys. As you can notice, it has a lot of features and widgets that can be very helpful in building your website. So all right, now I think we're good. The next thing that they asked for is they wanted this to be on a single page. All right. No, the thing is that I think what he meant is that for this specific tutorial, he wants the gallery to be on a single page. But like I said, this process is going to be very similar. If you're following what's happening in this tutorial, you'll have a very good idea of how to use this plugin in this tutorial. So we're just going to go ahead and we're going to create a new page, gallery, and we're going to publish this page. After publishing, we're going to edit with Elementor. Let me go ahead and read the specifications again. Only show six photos and have the option to view all photos. All right, let's see if we can get that feature done. Go ahead and recreate kit. And just recreate kit, save changes. Go back here, reload, close here. Oh, by the way, guys, I'm not on screen because for some reason my camera is not connecting, and I have no idea why. I really don't know why. But anyway, we're just gonna close right here. We're not going to care too much about the design right now. We just want to get the feature going. So we're going to close that, close that, close that, close that, close that. And we're going to look for, oh wait, I didn't activate premium. Yes, I activated it. It's right here. So we're going to look for the media grid in premium add-ons. We're just going to click right here, 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 and there we go. We're going to add a new widget, premium add-ons. We're going to add the media grid. I think this will do it. So first off, Lightbox. Let's go ahead and activate Lightbox, and we can overlay image gallery. Doesn't matter. All right, so that's a Lightbox feature that you needed. We're gonna go with the layout. We only want one column for our layout. All right, that's good. Images or videos. So here it is. It says load more. It requires number of images. Larger than 6. So this load more button is going to, let me see, it says when I want to show 6 photos and have the option to view all photos. So it's going to say load more, but I think we can say view all photos since that's, view all photos. Since that's what they requested, images to show 6 initial images. So we have the load more button. We have the Lightbox activated. Now for images and videos, it says category 1, category 2. I'm not going to need these. So, all right, so I'm going to rename this. I don't think we need this category either. Do we? All image Lightbox, sure, for the link. And all right, so I think I'm going to go ahead and add some images to this gallery that we have right here, we can have a better idea of what we're working with. So it's going to go to images, and there's one image right here, image one. Go ahead and add an image. All right. Then we're going to choose an image for image two. And I'm gonna just type this, label this image two as well, so I can have a very good idea of what we're working with. This is gonna be image three. I'm gonna select different images so it's very easy for us to follow what exactly is happening. This is gonna be image four. All right, now, so as you can realize, we have all our images being displayed right here. And let me add one more for the load more feature. I think we can go right here and then image seven. The load more is here, view all, but I'm going to need to design that a bit so you can see it. Load more button. Let's just give it a black background. White text, text shadow. Let's go for the background. Solid. And let's go with a black background. Let's go with white text. We're going to add some radius. All right, so that's very easy for us to do, for us to see, and we can just add a nice hover. All right, that's good. So we have something. All right, now we have 6 images here. So let me read what he asked for again. He said that he wanted us to have gallery on a single page, only show 6 photos, and have the option to view all photos. And then we made a lightbox pop up and we show all photos, maybe 10 or more photos. All right. So you can add more photos to make it to 10. We do have the gallery on a single page. We only have 6 photos currently being shown. We have the view all photo option. And when you click on the view on the and when you click on and when you click on view all photos, it's going to show all photos. You can add more photos beyond the 7 that we have, and it's going to be in a lightbox. So we have everything that is asked for. The only thing that I would say is happening here is that we have all images being displayed on top of each other. They're stacked, and that's not very attractive at the moment. So what we're going to do is we're going to do some design changes right here. Just go back to general. This is what we need to edit. We need to edit the media grid and image. Oh, not style, content. There we go. So grid layout even, we can do masonry, but that's not going to be very helpful. Let's just do it even for now. And we're going to change from 1 column to 6 columns. All right, there we go. What we can also do is we can also go with 3 columns and we'll have 2 rows because there are 6 images being displayed. It says the grid layout, we can go with masonry, which is this kind of freehand style. I don't like that. We can go with metro, which is this style, which I like. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We do need to view all photos, and so it's showing 7 at the moment. So it's showing 6 right now. That's what it's set to show, but it's showing the 7th photo, which it shouldn't do. All right, so let me see if I change the initial number to 5, if that will change everything. No. So I'm going to go ahead and publish these changes, and I'm going to click this I to preview the changes. And there we go. So it does show the grid, the media gallery. All right, it shows the media gallery, and we view all photos, and then everything appears. If we click on a photo, it does appear in a lightbox like it was requested. The only thing that I'm going to try to figure out now is for this specific tutorial. I don't know if he wants it for this specific tutorial where he wants when every page, and I don't think so because it wouldn't be on a single page, would it? But if you want to have your images be taken from the custom post type, so he would understand what we're talking about when you mention a custom post type. If he wants images to be taken from a custom post type and be added to the gallery. I think the way that you would do that is to go to images and you'd have to change the source of the image. I don't think that's. I want to see if that's actually available, is what I'm doing. Title, description, categories. So we need to actually pull the content. So this is dynamic content, it's a pro feature. All these dynamic content is a pro feature apparently. These are all pro features. So I don't think there's a free way to do what he asked. I was trying to do something similar. Perhaps we can use the Elementor widget, image widget from Elementor, but I wouldn't get to. So this is what we do, and instead of choosing the image, I would use that. Or the dynamic tag is a pro feature, guys. So it would most likely have to use CrocoBlock. You'd most likely have to use CrocoBlock. So if CrocoBlock is something that if you want your image to be pulled from CrocoBlock, and this is me speaking to the person who requested this, if you want your images to be pulled from CrocoBlock, then go ahead and comment below. Or we might have to reach out to the CrocoBlock team. Or best reach out to the CrocoBlock team and they'll show you. But just for a regular gallery, this is as best as we can go. Unless you're going to get Elementor Pro, so that once you get here, you can pull your images from your custom post type, and that's where you would have the dynamic website. All right, then. So that's it for this tutorial request. If you would like to learn how to build this website, we have the tutorial linked in the description below. And thank you guys for watching. I appreciate it.